Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is cacophony. It is pronounced cacophony, and it is spelt C-A-C-O-P-H-O-N-Y. Think caco and then phony. Cacophony means a harsh, discordant mixture of sounds. For example, you could say, a cacophony of deafening alarm bells rung out. Cacophony comes from the Greek kakophonos, meaning harsh sounding. If something is a cacophony, it is definitely harsh sounding, so its meaning is relatively unchanged. In the Amazon rainforest, a chorus of sounds can be heard every day at sunrise and sunset. The rainforest cacophony consists of many different species of animals, all communicating at the same time. Hundreds of birds, monkeys, frogs, and insects can be heard all humming, calling, buzzing, and chirping, creating one long cacophony of different sounds. This cacophony can reach up to 130 decibels. That's louder than a jet plane. How much of a cacophony can you make? Cacophony is a noun, and therefore a thing. For example, you could say, I am awoken by a cacophony of dogs barking every morning. Cacophony is defined in the dictionary as an unpleasant mixture of loud and harsh sounds. Cacophony synonyms include din, racket, noise, discord, dissonance, and discordance. Antonyms include silence, quietness, quiet, and tranquility. See if you can spot anyone making a cacophony today. If you see your brother or sister crashing about and shouting, impress your parents by pointing out that they are making a cacophony. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.